Well, my tubies, I just got one of my Boxycharm boxes. I'm assuming that maybe it's my base box. So why don't you join me in figuring out what I got in my box? Hello, my tubies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Nice to meet you. So I just received one of my boxes. I legit just got home maybe like 3 minutes ago and had to come up here and start making these videos as they come along. So I'm assuming by the size that it is the base box, and I'm really excited to see what I received in my box. If any of you do follow other influencers like Yari G, she and amongst others had there were many comments about the box and receiving too much skincare or not getting really good product in there. I'm grateful for whatever I get, especially as evidenced by the many other videos that I've had with, hey Hefty, you know, with my unveilings that, hey, no, you want to say hi to camera? Hi. That I do get some, you know, I have received some really good stuff, and there really hasn't been anything that I did not like. So I don't know, I'm just grateful for that stuff, right? So let's unveil. Okay, so this is the base box. It's pink, or like this pinky red. The theme here is go all out. Especially to me, what with this theme means, it's like, it's August, you know, go all out before you have to get back to school or go and get back on this school regimen. You know, that's what I think of. Kind of like make the end of summer memorable for you. So go all out. Okay. So I received 5 products here, and I'm really excited to see what I have here. Ooh! Okay, first thing that I noticed, it's on the very top of my list here. I got the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow. I did receive this as a sample from Sephora, and it's lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. This was, well, they're they're 2-part one. I had an allergic reaction to, you know, but I use the, I don't have it here with me. Or maybe, no, I don't. I use the Sunday Riley lactic acid, and that works a lot better with my skin. I used it last night, and so I have this glow on my skin. I mean, I don't think it would be fair for me to try it and then have that same reaction when somebody else could benefit from this. So I'm going to put this in, you know, along with other pieces that, you know, for giveaways. There are physical ones where you use like the dermabrasion and all that stuff, and here's the chemical. Next up, let's see here. Pureless, ooh, Ageless Glow BB Cream. Okay, so it's a serum BB cream. It's SPF 40, bakuchiol, collagen and vitamin C. So to me, this will be like glowy skin, natural from within, firms, and wrinkle care. So I got the medium warm, beauty through Asian wisdom. How do you like that shit? I think especially for a BB cream, this is a pretty decent size. Let's take a look here. And I probably, like, in my old age of 37, I've gravitated more towards, if I were to beat my face, more towards serums, you know, BB cream, something lighter versus something heavier. Because I feel like, especially with like fine lines and stuff, they tend to settle in these lines. And I think I have, especially with my skincare regimen now, I think I have fairly decent skin. And I don't need a lot of coverage, if that makes sense. So let's take a look here. Okay, so has pretty nice consistency. It's almost just like the Smashbox, if anybody has used it, their BB cream. So it kind of goes on like this. It's actually a nice consistency. It feels thick, but it's not thick. And as it settles or kind of dries down, it feels super light. And look at that coverage for that little amount that I did put on my skin. So what I think I'm going to do, let's grab some claws here. We're not matching. Who cares, right? Let's take the Kat Von D. So this is that Kat Von D brush. Let's add a little bit of product. And I don't have anything on my face for the exception of mascara and my eyebrows. So let's take a look and see how that works. We'll probably... And I think that actually it does a pretty good job of coverage and everything else as well. I usually get like cracks near my nose or around my nose, and I'm not noticing that. And especially this is the look without primer, so I can only imagine what this would be or how this would look if I had put primer on. Oh, I got it. Okay, so those that don't know, Boxy pop-up is going on right now, and that's where you get amazing product, home product, wellness product, makeup, body, hair, you name it, at heavily discounted prices. Okay, and I had been seeing this. These are the Booty Drops by Frank Body. It's a firming oil, so drop it like you're hot. It helps to smooth you over. It's packed with caffeine, guarana, carrot root extract, grapeseed, and jojoba oils. And from what I've been reading, it firms the skin and tones up with the elasticity. One other YouTuber was doing a review on this, and it says that it smells good initially, and then it smells like skunk. So I want to give it a fair shot and kind of see. Squeeze 3 to 4 drops onto your moisturizer or use over dry skin. So let's try this. The product looks yellow. It's kind of got like this yellow tinge to it. I smell more coffee, like coffee grounds, but it's not a very strong coffee smell. But I don't drink coffee. Believe it or not, I drink more hot tea. Coffee hurts my stomach. For a lot of body product that firm the skin and everything, a lot of them do have that tingling factor, that tingling sensation to bring more blood to the area, you know. So it does look pretty smooth, but again, it's an oil, so time will so now I'm feeling kind of like a minty sensation. Don't know what it's from, but maybe it's the skin tightening. Next here, Macy Beauty Evercolor Gel Waterproof Eyeliner. Okay, so it's a good thing that I don't have eyeliner on. So this is what it looks like. Very sleek, very simple. In Onyx, it's an automatic pencil. Ooh, that goes on like a kohl pencil, like a kohl liner. It goes on very silky. So let's give it a go on the eyes. That goes on really silky. Oh, giving myself like freckles and stuff in random places. Okay, so I'm really not mad at it. I feel that this formula would probably, I have oily lids, as you can tell, so this formula may slip and slide on my lids, but I think that if you have like a good primer, so kind of like the Urban Decay Primer Potion, you have like your eyeshadow and everything on, I think that the staying power would be amazing because it's a gel. It's going to set and it's going to be uber waterproof. So, oh shit. So looking at this part here, there's no product on there and I'm rubbing it and it's not budging. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so considering no other product or primer or anything on it. So I think that's pretty cool. So we'll give this a shot. Last but not least, I have the Jacka Black Play Pot. These are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, the lips, and the cheeks. So it says pink pearl shimmer finish. So let's have some fun with this product, okay? Kind of like encouraging. Ooh, pink pearl shimmer finish. So this is what it looks like. Very aesthetically pleasing. A nice white plastic. Comes around here, and it looks like it's like this really pretty deep pink. If Orgasm was a cream blush like this, not the multi-stick, but a little shade darker, that's what how I would describe this. Okay, so I'm going to dip my finger in there. Ooh, it glides, you know, it's very moldable, pliable, I guess. Let's take a look. Now it looks like there's some glitter to this. But I feel that if you use this as a topper, maybe by itself even, because like look at how that looks against my skin. So checking in with the eyeliner, my oily lids. So it does migrate, but like I said, if I had taken the opportunity to put the primer on and then did the eyeshadow, I feel like there would be some really good staying powder. I think there would be some pretty good staying power. Okay, so the only product that I do have on my face is that BB cream. And just look at how it blends. It warms to the skin. And no matter if you put the blush to the front, you know, to the apples of the cheeks, or to the side like I did here to give me more of a lifted look. This is more of like the sun-kissed, easy peasy type of look. Get some on the nose here. I mean, it's really pretty. It's like a healthy flush with just a little bit of this glitter. I would say it is like glitter. I don't know if you could see it on my finger. It's a little bit, maybe a little bit finer than glitter. It says that you can use it on your eyes. So let's see if we could blend out some of this black here. Okay, so there's that. And I like all-in-one pots. That way it's one and done, and it's one of those versatile colors too. So I mean, just look at that. And I think that it said that you can use it on your lips. Bet. Ooh, look at that. That's really pretty. I do like this a lot. Okay, if my mental math is correct, I received $146 worth of product. And I think it's phenomenal because a lot of these products here pay for the box itself. So what have you got to lose? All right, thank you for unveiling my boxy base with me. I really do appreciate you guys and know that I love you dearly. And yes, I do mean that. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be my Boxy Premium unboxing, as well as the Boxy pop-up unboxing for this month. Okay. Thank you so much. You have a great evening. Okay. Bye.